Hi, in this short video I'll give you an overview of the new Collaborators feature in Symbaloo PRO Workspaces. By adding a collaborator, you will be able to build and edit webmixes together in real time. This was one of our most requested new features and we're excited to finally be able to release it to our users. Let's get into it. First, ensure you're logged into your Symbaloo PRO account. Here, we have a webmix that we want to be able to finish with a collaborator. To begin, click the Share button above your webmix. From here, click the button to invite a collaborator. If this is your first time adding a collaborator, you will need to make sure that you allow others access to your webmix. You can do that with a single click here. To invite new collaborators, click this green button that says Add Collaborators, and you will be able to enter the name and email of the user you would like to add and send them an invitation. For this example, I've already added a collaborator for us to simplify things a bit, named Mr. Collaborator. Now that this Mr. Collaborator account has access, you can see that you are able to make edits to this webmix from our collaborator account. Now that I've made these changes, let's take a look on our other account. Great. Once this webmix is finished, make sure you publish it and share it however you'd like. We encourage you to try the new Collaborators feature today. If you would like to learn more, please visit us at www.symbaloo.com. Have a great day.